Hey guys, it's Dina. I just thought I'd make a quick video to show you how to shut off all of your notifications. Well, you may not want to shut all of them off. So, sorry, I just realized some of the screen wasn't there. Okay, so I'm in my Google Classrooms. You can see all my classes. Look at this, guys. Okay, I have so many. Okay, so I'm going to actually go up to this main menu, and all my classes are here. I'm going to go to the very bottom and I'm going to click on settings. Now, you can see right here it says notifications, email, receive email notifications. I do want some notifications. So I chose to have some if someone comments on my post, but you may want to shut that off because you're going to have a lot of kids, where mine is set up more for teachers. Comments that mention you, private comments on work, basically just going in and kind of deciding, do I want to be notified about this in my emails or do I not want to be notified? Work and other posts from teachers, returned work, here classes you teach. Do you want to be notified if there's a late submission, if they resubmit? The thing is, like, do you want the notifications, or are these things that you're just going to be checking every day anyway? And it may be one of those things where you go and try it one way for a while, and then after a week or so, maybe you come back in and change it again. So, but let me just show you again. So you go to the three lines, go all the way to the bottom, click on settings, and you can see right here where you can do your notifications. If you have any questions about that, you guys know, like, just let me know. But it's pretty simple.